Hello all, welcome back to my channel. We will be continuing our Scrum framework or Scrum fundamental trainings. Okay. Today I will be telling you in the earlier video we discussed about the product owner. What is a product owner? Who is a product owner? What are his responsibilities? In today's video, we will be discussing about the Scrum Master, responsibilities of a Scrum Master, what he's supposed to do, who is he actually, and what should he act as. So first thing, the most important word to know is Scrum Master is a process enabler. When I say the word process enabler, is he coaches the team to follow certain processes so as to generate a desired output. So Scrum Master is a process enabler. This is a very important word to know. Scrum Master is a process enabler. He will make sure that the process is followed, enabled by the team so as to generate a desired output. Next is our Scrum Master is a teacher. Now a teacher will teach the team with the right information. A teacher in a generic way, if we know, is a master actually, who will make us understand about the process. They will teach us from step by step so that we understand what is the process, what all metrics is required so as to generate an increment. Scrum Master is a teacher. Scrum Master is a coach. Now, what is a coach? A coach is a person who will ask you right set of questions, or rather they will ask you open-minded questions. Actually, they will coach you, direct you to the right path so that you can again generate the increment, adhere to the definition of done. Scrum Master acts as a coach. Scrum Master acts as a mentor. So a mentor is a person who guides the team with his own experiences. Scrum Master will also act as a mentor, meaning he will guide the team with the own experiences. Then Scrum Master is a servant leader. Servant leader is Scrum Master is at your service always, however, leading it as well to generate a smooth increments, right? So Scrum Master command should always be at your service, at your service. Scrum Master should be able to surface the impediments at the early stages of the sprint. So it's an impediment remover, meaning a Scrum Master should be proactively able to surface out, to resolve the challenges, the dependencies, the impediments for a smooth running of the sprint. Okay, and yes, so these are our Scrum Masters. So Scrum Master are also responsible for making the retro useful. So Scrum Master should not just follow the normal process of how a retro is run in a robotic way. They should sense the team dynamics. Based on that, based on their experience, the Scrum Master should be able to refine the retro in a direction that results to productivity, right? The collective productivity. For example, generic, if you ask me, retros will be normally led by the Scrum Master as what went well, what did not go well, what are we planning to do, and any extra feedback. However, if you know that maybe there is a time when your team is struggling with the sprint goal, to make the retro more productive, a Scrum Master will not follow a normal retro way, rather will follow 5 why and 1 how technique. Why we are not meeting the sprint goal? The team at that time answered they do not know the requirements clearly. Why we do not know the requirements clearly? Because the backlog refinement sessions were rushed. Okay, how can we improve that? We came to a conclusion. We will have more structured backlog refinement sessions. We will have proper acceptance criteria in the user stories, and within upcoming sprints the team was meeting the sprint goal on time, and that collectively led to the trust and the confidence of the entire team, not just Scrum Master, entire team. So Scrum Master is also responsible for impediment remover, running the retro in a fun way, effective way to generate the output. Okay, so these are our what the product owner does. Now today's session is what a Scrum Master does. See this video twice and thrice. Make notes, again ask me questions, we will. So I'm just making very small videos so that it is easy for all of us to understand. Okay, so see it, and next we will again come up to the next video in the next session I'll record. All right, till then please like my videos. If I am bringing value, 1% value also to anybody of your life, like it, subscribe my channel, and let's together build a knowledgeable world or a foundation. Okay, thank you.